Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for dwarf umbrella plants. These resilient plants prefer bright, indirect light, so place them near a window but avoid direct sun exposure. Water your plant when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch, ensuring good drainage. Keep the room temperature consistently between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal growth and health. Let's dive into the specifics. Proper watering is crucial for your dwarf umbrella plant. Always check the soil moisture before watering, letting the top layer dry out to prevent overwatering and potential root rot. These plants appreciate humidity, so consider placing a pebble tray filled with water beneath the pot or misting the leaves a few times a week. Remember to adjust your watering schedule, reducing it in the cooler, less active periods. Light is key for vibrant dwarf umbrella plants. They flourish in bright, indirect light, which encourages lush foliage without scorching the leaves. During the active growing season, typically spring and summer, feed your plant every 2 to 4 weeks. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, but make sure to dilute it to half strength to avoid overfertilization. This routine will support robust growth. Pruning helps keep your dwarf umbrella plant looking its best and promotes a fuller, bushier appearance. Simply snip off any leggy or overgrown stems. Also, regularly inspect your plant for common pests such as spider mites or aphids, treating them promptly if found. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. With proper care, your plant will thrive for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.